Hey, what's going on guys, this is Sana here from the PC Mechanics, and today we'll be installing Windows 7 in VMware Workstation Pro. And for that you'll obviously be needing VMware. Let's open it. And the Windows 7 ISO will have to be found out by you only, either through Internet Archive or some other place, but be sure it's safe because there are a lot of malware ridden ISOs nowadays. So we'll be going new virtual machine and under files. Typical, because custom is not beginner friendly at all. We'll be going typical. We will be installing the OS later because if you try to install it beforehand, it gave me some issues. So we'll be installing it later. Next, we'll be going in Windows 7, x64 by the way, because I am using an x64 ISO. Next, we'll be naming it you can name it anything. Set to destination. Next, 60 gigs is fine and leave it as is. You'll customize the hardware and check if we need to increase something. 2 gigs of RAM is fine. Processor is your choice. 1 and 1 is fine. I'll just make it to 2. Close. Finish. Then we need to insert the disk, I mean the ISO, after we power on this machine. Now we should put in the ISO. After you get to the screen, we'll go to the VM, then settings, and in the CD/DVD SATA we'll use the ISO image, then browse whatever we need and locate your ISOs. That's in my data. Here's the ISO and we click OK. Then we can restart this VM and we get the Windows loading files. And after this it's pretty much straightforward because the installation process is basically the same since Windows Vista. Here we'll leave it at default. Next, install now. We'll accept the terms. Next, custom. We'll click next again because we only have one partition obviously of 60 gigs. Next, and it will install it by itself, and so you can wait it out. Now we restart and go on to the details filling like the username, password, etc. Alright, let's put in the username. We'll be going with PC Mechanics. Next, we'll be skipping the password, it's your choice obviously. Next, we will activate, we will not be activating that right now, so skip. Ask me later. Set your time zone. I'll be setting mine, which is UTC plus 5:30. Engage next, and you can just leave it at home network, and we are done for now. We'll be installing the VMware tools next. Here we are on the desktop. Okay, now we are at the desktop, and I have to tell you something, because if you try to install the VMware tools, it won't work because some drivers will fail to install. This is due to Windows 7 obviously being outdated, and you need to install some update packages in order to install the VMware tools. And for the update packages, I recommend installing Legacy Update, so that will update your computer to the latest version of Windows 7, and then you can go here and go to VM, install VMware tools, and then it will install automatically. That's the downside of using Windows 7 in the modern days. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. So till then, peace out.